In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can change your brightness or color settings or your display settings on your Fire TV stick. Okay, for the first step, we go to the right, and here we have all these options. And what we can do is click on display and sounds. And when we are here, we can click on the screensaver, and here we can change the screensaver settings, like your photos or something else, but this is not important. So we click on where is it, display, and here we can change the video resolution, color depth, color format, and something else. But yeah, this is all the things you can change on your Fire TV, but you can also change the brightness or something else on your TV, not on your Fire TV. So what we do is to get the remote from your TV like this, and here we can click on the menu button, and on the menu button on your normal TV you can change here like your settings. So go on the settings, and here we can change many more options, or the picture mode. We go on this, and here we can click on OK, and here we can change the brightness, or like the background brightness or something else. Okay, if this could help you, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we'll find the solution, and then see you next time.